Good morning, Goa. Welcome to your 2-minute market booster. Today's key theme is simple: domestic resilience versus rising crude and geopolitical risk. Globally, Wall Street closed slightly lower with the S&P 500 down about a tenth of a percent and Nasdaq down 3/10. Asian markets are mixed, while crude has jumped sharply towards $90 as uncertainty around the US-Iran situation increases. For India, higher oil is the key concern because it can pressure inflation, the rupee, and corporate margins. In India, Nifty closed around 24,584, while Sensex ended near 78,542. GIFT Nifty is indicating a largely flat start around 24,610. Recent institutional flows have been supportive from FIIs, although domestic flows remain important. The rupee is under pressure near 95.5 to the dollar. So, MFDs should read the setup as resilient but not complacent. In debt markets, the Indian 10-year GSEC yield has moved higher, around the high 6% zone, as oil and inflation expectations create some pressure. For fixed income investors, the message is that rate sensitivity and inflation remain important factors, so duration needs a measured approach. Two sectors to watch today: energy, because elevated crude can influence margins and inflation expectations, and information technology, where global technology sentiment and US market cues remain important. For investors, this is exactly where SIP discipline matters. Short term volatility can increase when oil and geopolitics dominate headlines. But long term investors should focus on goals, asset allocation, and time horizon, not yesterday's headlines. Avoid chasing whichever asset class is temporarily outperforming. Here's today's distributor talking point. If a client says oil is rising, should I stop my SIP? Bring the conversation back to the portfolio's purpose. Market events can change short term volatility. They should not automatically change a long term investment plan. Today's market mood: cautiously negative. The key risk is elevated crude and geopolitical uncertainty. That's your 2-minute market booster. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and let's have better investor conversations